Welcome to the demonstration of STAR's agentic platform to create individual app per user. It's based on the Human Agentic Interaction model to ensure that for every person, the capabilities, constraints, and needs are reflected individually so that the optimum user experience will be created. We will demonstrate 4 different examples for 4 different patient profiles in the context of a patient journey in the medical realm. And as you can see highlighted with these colored charts, each individual has different needs, capabilities, and constraints. So for each of them, an individual app will be created. It is important to understand that this is not one app which is customized per patient, rather than it is an app written from scratch with a separate code base for each of these 4 people. Please also note that Anna and Thomas are sharing the same patient journey, but their apps will look extremely different. Let's start with Luca.
This is the app for Luca. Luca is a 10-year-old child who needs to recover from the removal of his appendix. This app is mainly visual, childlike, and also has audio support.
Good morning, Luca. Even heroes need rest. You've got this.
Power level great. Power check. Hero training.
Lie down like a hero preparing for battle. Stretch your arms up high. Reach for the sky. Point your toes gently. Feel the energy flow. Hold for 3 seconds. Power is building. Relax and bring arms down slowly.
Home. As Luca is a child, there's also an adult mode to take care of his healing process, which can be activated here. This provides information for the parents, and they can do certain actions which are recommended by the doctors to make sure the healing process runs fine.
Now, let's proceed to Mr. Bauer.
This is the app for Mr. Bauer. Mr. Bauer is in his 70s and recovers from a complete knee replacement. Mr. Bauer is not very used to digital technology and is not familiar with using smartphones or other computers very well. He also suffers from a tremor, which makes it hard for him to use touch interaction or typing on a keyboard. His application is focused on simple and large buttons, simple interaction principles, and is very easy to be used.
Starting quad sets. Tighten thigh muscle, hold for 5 seconds. 10 times, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Exercise complete.
He can log his walking time to keep track of his activity and not to overstress his knee. And he has, of course, the opportunity to have a total overview of his exercises, his health status, and most importantly, his development of his health.
Our next person is Anna.
This is the app for Anna. Anna is a mid-20s girl and she suffers from Crohn's disease. She has dyslexia and sometimes she has anxiety attacks. This app is built to help her on her nutrition, her food, and to track down what might trigger her disease and what helps. It also provides some emotional support. It covers information about how many liquid and water has been consumed that day. It provides a guide about what to eat and can do a track. It also provides an ingredient scanner to check for compatibility with her health. And in case of a stressful situation, it provides some support.
Hey, love. Flare-ups can feel scary, but you're not doing anything. Let's take a breath together. Find a comfy spot. We'll go through this together, one step at a time. You've got this.
And now the app for Thomas.
This is the app for Thomas. Thomas is 50 years old and suffers from Crohn's disease. Thomas is digitally very experienced and loves to see data into detail with statistics and manage all the information by himself to the level of detail he likes. He has this overview page where he can simply record his pain level. He can keep track of his hydration, his digestion, and he can log his mood. He can capture his nutrition in a very detailed way. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a separate way. He has a food scanner to identify if there's any risks to his health. He can create all the reports he's interested in to have them recorded or stored. And he has all the relevant information in a single view for his convenience.